Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, past Evangelist, and today I'm dreaming about the beautiful sunshine in the Italian Riviera. So I decided to make a delicious Spritz Hugo. The ingredients for this delicious Spritz Hugo are some elderflower liqueur, Prosecco, and tonic water. You can also use a sparkling water. Today I wanted to use elderflower tonic water just to give more flavor to the spritz. And we use as well some fresh mint and fresh lime juice. So guys, let's start to make these beautiful and delicious spritz. We start with a few leaves of mint to give a nice and fresh taste to our spritz. Then we use a lime juice, and we wanna just a little bit, you know, just to give a little bit more flavor. And then we wanna mix it together. We wanna crush, not too much. We are not making any mojito. We just wanna get a little bit more flavor out from the mint. So now that we have mixed the lime and the mint together, we can get our nice and ice cold and leave the ice out. And also to put it back, the mint and lime that we prepared before. So let's start mixing some elderflower liqueur. A bit hard to open for me. And getting straight in. Then I'm going to pour a little bit of Prosecco. Probably a little bit more than a little bit. Fantastico. And then you can use sparkling water. Today I have decided to go for some tonic water. Just a tiny little bit amount. Fantastico. So now let's mix all together. To give you a nice, good mix. And a nice decoration for our glasses. And salute ragazzi. Delizioso. And here we have this amazing Spritz Hugo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cocktails.